Let us see what is migration. Okay, so migration means moving in groups from one place to another. Okay, not only in groups, but some animals also move individually. Okay, some move in groups, some move individually. So some animals and birds, they migrate or move in groups from one place to another seasonally. So that is called migration. Now, why do they need to migrate? Migration, that is moving from one place to another, but in long distances. Okay, they travel long distances. Now, why they need to travel long distances, why they need to move from one place to another? That is to avoid the extreme weather conditions, or in search of favorable food and breeding grounds. Okay, these are the three reasons why animals or birds migrate. So some animals and birds, they migrate or move in groups from one place to another seasonally. They travel long distances to avoid extreme weather conditions or in search of favorable food and breeding grounds. Okay, now especially the birds. The birds, they usually fly to warmer regions in winters. When the season is of winter, that is when they face too much of cold, they fly to warmer regions. Now they can fly over longer distances. Why? Because of their wings. Okay, due to their wings, their light bodies and the hollow bones, these help the birds to fly and stay higher in the air. See in the figure here, can you see? So they are flying in groups, they are moving in groups. Okay, so birds, they usually fly over longer distance. Since they have wings, their bodies are light and their bones are hollow, that helps them to stay higher in the air. Okay, so the examples, Siberian cranes. Okay, Siberian cranes, what they do, they migrate to India from Russia. Okay, from Russia, you know, right? So from Russia to India, they migrate in winters. Then salmons also migrate from the sea to a river to lay eggs, after which they die. Okay, so they are type of aquatic animal or fish, you can say, which migrate from sea to a river. They lay eggs and they die, and the young ones, they swim back to the sea again. So this way animals and birds, they migrate or move in groups from one place to another seasonally to avoid extreme weather conditions or in search of favorable food and breeding grounds.